Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Nothing would have been possible without the Most High, says Sizzla Kalonji on receiving the keys to the city of Lauderhill, along with recognition from the U.S. Congress and the state of Florida.
Greetings in the name of the Most High's Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile King Selassie Jah. Beautiful people from this region and all parts of the world. First of all, let me acknowledge the Most High because nothing would have been possible without the Most High. Secondly, let me acknowledge all senior citizens. Thank you very much for being the persons you are. Thirdly, let me acknowledge all the officials and the high offices of the city of Lauderhill.
At the recent staging of the Solid as a Rock concert at the Lauderhill Performing Arts Center in Florida, the reggae icon was honored with the keys to the city of Lauderhill presented by Mayor Denise Grant. The award recognizes his outstanding contribution to reggae music and his role in promoting Rastafarian culture over the past 30 years.
We appreciate you and recognize you for all the hard work you've done for this global landscape of reggae music and this cultural movement. Your voice has inspired generations. You have united hearts and spirits, and we appreciate you. This is from the residents. We have a very strong and powerful and vibrant Jamaican population that's here, and they wanted us to honor you as well, sir.
In addition to the city's award, Sizzla received a special citation from the U.S. Congress, acknowledging his impact beyond music and his role as a cultural ambassador.
I wanted to take this opportunity to recognize you, especially right now as we're edging our own story into history in the United States House of Representatives, in the Library of Congress. So we're presenting you with this proclamation. To Washington, D.C., every American will know what you did for the United States and this entire world.
I could not miss the opportunity of recognizing you as well from the state of Florida. Much like the congressional, we want to recognize you for your hard work in this music industry that you have lifted up the voices. And so we want to present you this evening. Thank you so much.
The event was a celebration of Jamaica's independence, highlighting the importance of cultural pride and community unity in Lauderhill. Now, on the international scene, Beyoncé cops her first ever Emmy. Beyoncé currently holds 35 Grammy Awards from 99 nominations, making her the most awarded and most nominated artist in Grammy history. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.